the next major altcoin cycle could be upon us. After a few weeks of the entire crypto market languishing, altcoins are starting to look very juicy again. Multiple indicators are showing that altcoins are getting ready for their next leg up and that some massive gains will be coming for the altcoin market. In fact, it's a lot bigger than people even realize is going to happen. In this video, I will share both the technical as well as the fundamental reasons why I believe that the altcoin market is going to go totally freaking nuts in 2021. My name's Lark, and every day I make videos to help you make money investing. So if that is what you want to do, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell to make sure you catch all of my videos, and just gently tap on the like button there. That would really help out the YouTube algorithm. By the way, every week my team and I produce the Wealth Mastery Investor Report. So every single issue of this report, we do a deep dive on an altcoin. There's a trending coin analysis. We have top tier technical analysis, an interview with an industry leader. We cover the latest and hottest token sales, a step-by-step DeFi tutorial, and much, much more beyond that. All of that stuff for less than $10 a week, making this the most value-packed and at the same time the most affordable investor report on the market. Don't miss out on another issue. Just click on the link down below me here in the description where you can learn more about becoming a member to Wealth Mastery today. Okay, so let's talk about these altcoins, man. We might be on the cusp of another major altcoin rally, the likes of which we haven't seen in a long, long time. The last few months, honestly, it's been life-changing for altcoin investors. I think a lot of you have been getting these insane gains. We've basically been in a major altcoin cycle already, but the crazy ride, it is not over yet. We're just getting heated up. This is one of those rare opportunities in investing where you can totally alter your financial destiny over the next few months. I hope that you're paying attention and will take it. Let's look first at the total market cap for all altcoins combined. Currently sitting around $650 billion. Now in early February, that broke over the previous all-time high from 2017, and then in late February, dropped dramatically with the rest of the market, coming back down to actually retest the previous resistance, flipping that into support. Now that is technically a very bullish move for altcoins. Something to keep in mind too is that the total altcoin market cap only passed over the 1 billion mark for the first time in February 2017. So new, the whole altcoin thing. We're only really 4 years in at this point, which is crazy when you think about it. Since that time, the altcoin market cap has increased by 650x. Incredible. I'm fully on board here with the thesis that the altcoin market cap, it's going to be worth trillions during this bull market. It could literally 10x from the current size. The gains train has barely even left the station at this point. We've already made life-changing money, right? Taking a look at the Bitcoin dominance chart, it's right now sitting on a key support level. The top of the purple box at 60% represents a critical point of historical support for Bitcoin dominance. When any drops into the box for Bitcoin dominance have historically represented a significant rally for altcoins. Now, if the dominance falls under the purple box, then that is basically full-on irrational insanity altcoin season. That's the ape into any random coin and it does 20x the next day kind of season. We're not there yet. We're just making nice consistent altcoin gains over the last few months. Bitcoin dominance, it is holding strong at the moment, but it won't forever. There will come a time when altcoins significantly outperform Bitcoin over a short period of time. Next, let's look at the Ethereum Bitcoin pairing, which usually is a good indicator for the health of the altcoin markets. It has just retested the 50-week moving average. While it's already rallying, I think that a more explosive rally off of this bounce from support is likely at this stage. Now, what this would basically mean is that Ethereum will be growing faster in value than Bitcoin. And when that happens, other altcoins tend to follow strongly behind. Now, what about any fundamentals that could help us say, hey, look, a massive altcoin rally is coming? And when I say it's coming, I'm not saying it's coming tomorrow, right? This is about 2021 we're talking about here. Well, grayscale is one of the massive reasons why I think the altcoins are going to go crazy. They are about to add 24 altcoins to their trusts, including popular coins like Polkadot, Cardano, and Uniswap. This is going to be incredible. What a way for just big money to enter into the altcoin markets. The story around DeFi and the obvious gains for DeFi and for altcoins, the smart contract platforms, it has been incredible. Investors aren't blind. Big money's not blind. They know what's happening. They just don't have so many easy ways to get exposure. Grayscale investors, they've already shown a massive interest in Ethereum, the second biggest Grayscale trust at the moment. They're increasingly showing interest in other altcoins. Grayscale investors are piling into Litecoin at the moment, for example. But the new Grayscale altcoin offerings, that's next level stuff, man. This is going to totally unleash the bulls into the market for the altcoins. Increasingly, we're getting evidence that companies and funds, they want altcoin exposure, right? Bitcoin's not enough for them. They are hungry for those gains. Grayscale reported earlier this year a new influx of Ethereum only and Ethereum first investors. The publicly traded software company May2, they are one of the big stories of the week in terms of new companies buying crypto. Well, they bought 15,000 Ethereum for their company reserves and Bitcoin, but also Ethereum. This is just the first such purchase. Other companies will follow suit. Other companies are going to buy Ethereum and other top altcoins. The Galaxy Digital Ethereum Fund has already raised $32 million from investors. There are 2 Ethereum ETF applications right now sitting with Canadian regulators. A German stock exchange just listed an Ethereum ETP. A Swiss stock exchange just recently listed a Polkadot ETP. A Dubai-based fund is buying $750 million worth of Cardano and Polkadot. The evidence is in, guys. Big money wants to get exposure to altcoins. This is incredible because it's completely different from the previous altcoin cycle of 2017, where it was almost exclusively retail investors FOMOing into random new coins and pumping the prices up. Institutions were almost not here at all. Sure, there was a few adventurous venture capital firms, but that's it. That's it, guys. Remember, it took until 2020 to convince institutions to buy Bitcoin. But now the game has totally changed. Publicly traded companies and hedge funds and family offices and all these other different players, they're starting to get into altcoins right now. And when they get more options to buy those altcoins, like via the Grayscale Trust, they're going to plow just a crazy amount of money into them. We also see all these different funds starting to be offered, like the Galaxy Digital Ethereum Fund. But Grayscale is going to truly open up the altcoin season in a way which you can barely begin to imagine. 10x for the altcoin market cap. It's going to be crazy. Your question for today, if you had $10,000 to buy one altcoin, which coin would it be and why? Oh, and there's a caveat. You have to hold that coin for 1 year before you're allowed to sell it. Let me know down below in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.